हेलो गाइस। कनाडा में आपका स्वागत है। अब आप कहेंगे कनाडा में स्वागत कैसे? वेल, आई एम हियर टू शो यू अराउंड थ्रू माय चैनल Cheerful Chic. Or I would rather say welcome to Toronto, the bustling heart of Canada. But just a short ferry ride away lies a serene escape, Center Island. In today's video, I'll take you on a short tour of this amazing spot and show you why it's one of Toronto's hidden gems. So continue watching till the end. वीडियो को एंड तक ज़रूर देखना and subscribe to my channel. Currently we are on Ontario 401 Expressway, which is the North America's busiest highway. It's around 500 miles long. And this is टोरंटो डाउनटाउन एरिया, जहाँ पे सारी हाई राइज बिल्डिंग्स हैं और ये बहुत हैपनिंग सा रहता है एरिया इवन एट द नाइट टाइम इर्रिस्पेक्टिव ऑफ द वेदर. समर्स, फॉल, विंटर्स, हर टाइम कोई ना कोई एक्टिविटीज़ यहाँ पे हो ही रही होती हैं. We almost reached Lakeshore, which is the road running along Lake Ontario. टोरंटो आइलैंड्स में ना छोटे छोटे काफ़ी सारे आइलैंड्स हैं, अराउंड 15 आइलैंड्स, एंड दे हैव सर्विस टू ईच डेस्टिनेशन डिफरेंट डिपेंडिंग ऑन टाइम ऑफ ईयर. वेल, सेंटर आइलैंड इज़ अ मेजर वन एंड मोस्ट पॉपुलर ऑफ देम. द एडवेंचर बिगिंस विद अ पीसफुल फेरी राइड फ्रॉम डाउनटाउन. और ये जो फेरी हैं इनके डिफरेंट शेड्यूल्स हैं, लाइक अराउंड हाफ एन आवर और एवरी आवर दे आर रनिंग फ्रॉम डाउनटाउन टू आइलैंड. लास्ट फेरी रात के 11 साढ़े 11 तक भी चलती है. और समर्स में इट्स लाइक पीपल दे यूजुअली गो एट नाइट टाइम एज वेल. रात में बड़ा सुंदर व्यू आता है, लोग चिल करते हैं, एंजॉय करते हैं, सो नॉट एन इशू, इट्स सेफ. दिस टर्मिनल इज नेम्ड आफ्टर a person, Jack Layton, who was city councillor, in order to honor him. Earlier, this terminal was simply Toronto Island's terminal, but later on it was renamed. We booked our ferry tickets online, which is around $9 for an adult, to and fro, and we just had to get it scanned here. तो अभी हम फेरी के लिए जा रहे हैं और जैसा कि आप वीडियो में देख रहे हैं अलग अलग गेट्स हैं और अलग अलग गेट्स से अलग अलग आइलैंड्स पे फेरीज जाती है. सिंस वी आर गोइंग टू सेंटर आइलैंड, सो वी आर एट गेट नंबर 2. अभी आपको देख के लग रहा होगा कि बहुत क्राउडेड है, रश है, बट मैनेजेबल होता है. ऐसा नहीं होता कि मतलब प्रॉब्लमेटिक है. ईज़िली आप बोर्ड कर सकते हो फेरी, एंड इट्स ईज़िली एक्सेसिबल फॉर पीपल विद स्ट्रॉलर्स, देयर ओन बाइक्स, एंड सम दे कैरी देयर पिकनिक आइटम्स लाइक बारबेक्यू एंड ऑल. तो कोई इशू नहीं होता, आराम से सब लोग ले जाते हैं. दिस इज़ द लोअर फ्लोर ऑफ द फेरी, जो ऑलमोस्ट एम्प्टी ही रहता है as everybody try to take up space on the upper level because upper floor से view island का as well as city line का बहुत अच्छा आता है. so लोग वो enjoy करने के लिए upper floor चले जाते हैं. It's a 10 minutes ride from the ferry terminal to the island, and the ferries they run on time. So if the ferry is scheduled to be departed at 10 in the morning from its terminal, then it will be departed right on time. इतना पानी देख के लगता है it's an ocean and not a lake, but in actual it's a lake, and it gets freezed in winters. As we sail away, you can see the city slowly disappear behind us, replaced by green landscapes and water. Now we have just reached the island. Once you arrive, you'll immediately notice the difference. No towering skyscrapers, no honking horns, just nature, open spaces, and the fresh breeze of Lake Ontario. This is the information center from where you can get the map of the island, and it's just by the entrance. Whether you are here for a family picnic, biking, or a beach day, Center Island has something for everyone. If you are looking for a little relaxation, this shore of Central Island is the perfect spot. The water is clear, the view is stunning, and it's a great place for a barbecue as well. Fantastic spot to grill up some food while enjoying the outdoors with family and friends. You can even rent kayaks or paddle boats if you are feeling adventurous. These are available for rental from May to September. As the lake gets freezed in winters, so during that time, people reach the lagoons and Toronto Harbour from the islands for ice skating when conditions permit. Center Island isn't just for thrill seekers. There are beautiful walking trails that wind through gardens, ponds, and forested areas. This is a perfect place for a quiet walk, a bike ride, और इवन अ पिकनिक इन द पार्क। और ये आइलैंड इतना बड़ा है कि इसको इंटायरली कवर करना एक बार में इट्स अ लिटिल डिफ़िकल्ट। और मुझको ऐसा लगता है कि मुझे भाग भाग के सब कवर नहीं करना, थोड़ा सा रिलैक्स करना है, एंजॉय करना है मोमेंट को। एंड देयर आर डिफरेंट मोड्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्टेशन to reach the island. It's not just the ferry, but some people they also prefer privately operated water taxis, which are being operated from May to September. And this one is the stand-up paddle board, and I feel ये activity करने का भी एक अलग ही मज़ा होता होगा, especially those who love being in water, like those who like to swim. As the barbecue sizzles by the lakeside, a group of swans glides around, drawn by the tempting aroma of the food. They approach eagerly, hoping for a bite, and their white feathers gleaming in the sunlight. ये तो मस्त rhyme बन गया. To my surprise, I saw this small hand pump in Canada, और इसमें से पानी भी आता है. Speaking of biking, one of the best ways to explore the island is on two wheels. There are bike rentals right near the ferry dock, including tandem bikes and single bikes, and even more options are available. You can check them out online. The island is car-free, which makes it incredibly bike-friendly. There's also an amusement park on the island, which is an absolute must if you like rides. It's a small, charming park that offers classic rides, and it's an affordable, fun-filled day for families. This amusement park is open daily during summers. There's no ticket for admission to the park. However, you need to pay for the rides. There's also a small farm in this amusement park with animal species including rabbits, goats, pigs, chickens, cows, ponies, and various other animals, and some birds as well. We spotted some goats here. This farm is usually open 365 days a year. ये कुछ रैबिट जैसा एनिमल दिख रहा है, मुझे थोड़ा वियर्ड सा लगा बिकॉज आई फेल्ट इट्स अ ब्रीड ऑफ रैबिट प्लस चिकन. दिस इज़ अ वाइट पीकॉक with a vibrant blue neck. It's a stunning display of nature's artistry. And this one is a regular graceful peacock, which I have been seeing since my childhood in my campus. The kids are full of excitement here as they watch the hens pecking around the yard. The simple joy of seeing the hens brings a smile to their faces, creating a memorable moment of connection with nature. Slowly moving across the field, the sheep are content, heads down and focused on their feet. And this one is not a sweet little friend, but a big sweet friend. It stands calmly as people gather around and remains patient and welcoming, making the moment special for all who come near. It's a bright yellow bird flutters inside the net, and its vibrant color stands out against the net. It looks beautiful. And we just saw some ponies. It's a type of a small horse. मैंने तो इन्हें पहली बार देखा है और अच्छा लग रहा है. These sheep are feeling too lazy and they just rest comfortably here. वो बस अपना चिल मार रहे हैं धूप में. So this is the farm side of the park and the other side where people go for rides. पहले काफ़ी सारी राइड्स थी, अभी कुछ कुछ बंद हो गई कोविड के बाद मेनली. So if you are planning a day trip, don't forget to pack a picnic here. Center Island has plenty of barbecue stations and picnic tables. You can also bring your own food or grab a bite from the local cafes. Either way, there's no better place to enjoy a meal with friends and family. I wanna dance right now. The sun is about to set, giving the city skyline a mesmerizing look. It's hard to believe that such a peaceful retreat is just minutes from the hustle and bustle of downtown Toronto. So, next time you are in the city, make sure to set aside a day for Centre Island. Trust me, you won't regret it. That's it for today's tour of Centre Island. I hope you enjoyed this little escape. If you did, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more such vlogs. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.